Welcome to our video on making money online in 2025. Get ready to discover 7 untapped AI tools that can boost your income. In today's digital age, AI tools are essential for generating income online. They streamline processes and open new opportunities. The first tool we're revealing is an incredible platform that helps automate your online marketing efforts, driving more traffic efficiently. Next up is a unique AI tool that streamlines your business processes, helping save hours of effort and improving efficiency. Our third AI tool is designed to enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus on scaling your revenue streams significantly. The fourth tool revolutionizes content creation, providing innovative ideas that make your marketing campaigns stand out. Our fifth tool automates daily tasks, drastically reducing the workload for online entrepreneurs and freeing up time. The sixth AI tool is a game changer for financial analysis, helping find lucrative investment opportunities that you shouldn't miss. Lastly, this tool is set to redefine the e-commerce landscape, providing unmatched capabilities for online shops. In conclusion, these AI tools are poised to redefine how we make money online in 2025. It's time to harness their power.